In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add Robots.Txt in Yoast SEO. To do that, first head over right here into the actual website of Yoast, which is Yoast.com. Click on the This Explore Yoast SEO Premium. So proceed to click on this in order to get some plans available on Yoast. You can also click on this download free version in order to get its free version, and this will give you right here a zip file that you can actually use and upload to WordPress. So for this, we also need WordPress. Head over to WordPress.com, click on this Get Started option in order to sign up for an account. If you already have one, you can just click on this login and then access from there directly your own account and website. Now let's head over here to our WordPress. Here's my actual site, and I have right here this. So head over, click on plugin, and search for Yoast SEO. You can find it right here. It's free on business plan. We also have the Yoast Premium. Click on this upgrade and activate. Then you can install this particular plugin directly into your WordPress. So in order to actually add Robots.Txt, you can create it directly using Yoast SEO. Onto your WordPress dashboard, scroll down until you can find the Yoast SEO option. From in there, it will open in here this new options. Head over and click on Tools. From there, you can see you can go to the file editor. Make sure that if your WordPress install has disabled the file editing, make sure it was enabled. You can do this and edit the file through STP, and if you're not sure, you can go over to your host provider to help. Under the tools, click on File Editor, and then from there, you can see this Create Robots.txt file. Head over and click on it. You can view and edit this particular file right there. Just edit right here however you want, then save the changes. If you have it on your server, you can use Notepad or any text editor and then create a text file. Save the file with Robots.txt and then upload it directly to your server. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.